Aloha guys, and welcome back to my channel. Guess what I finally got in the mail? Yes, I got it on Halloween. It only took 21 days to get to me, but let's not talk about that. So it's my first BoxyCharm unboxing. Sorry it is so late. It is my October box, but I have not opened it because I just got it and I wanted to unbox it with you guys. So if you want to see what I got in my first BoxyCharm, then just keep watching. Boom, BoxyCharm. All right, so I get 10% off your next It Cosmetics Superhero Mascara. Looks like this. Ew. So I've tried the Superhero Mascara and I don't really like the formulation of it. So I've tried it. I may give it away to a family member. So that's one thing. I mean, it's great. I may try it again. I don't know. So the next thing is the Kat Von D Everlasting Liquid Lipstick in the color Sanctuary. So I'm not sure what color that is. It looks like a maroon. I don't have any of her liquid lipsticks. Some people, oh, it's like a taupe, it looks like. Some people like her formulation and other people don't. Ooh, it's pretty. I'll have to try that on. So that's what that looks like. So that's the Kat Von D Liquid Lipstick in Sanctuary. Looks pretty. Definitely great for the fall. So, and then I got some Wander Beauty under eye masks, which I love these. I just did one actually by Wander Beauty and I really like them. They're very moisturizing. They're great to do like if you're going out or if you're going to be wearing lots of makeup. It really moisturizes your eyes and gets them ready. So that's really nice. And the next thing is, oh, Briogeo. I love this stuff. It's the Don't Despair Repair. It's strengthening leave-in mask, and I think it's like milk, coconut milk or something. And it's white. Yeah, this Briogeo is awesome. They have great shampoos and conditioners, but I think their most famous product is their Don't Despair Repair, like a deep moisturizing mask, and it comes in a tub. So if you ever want to buy any of their products, buy that. If your hair is damaged or you need deep conditioning, so buy that. But this is awesome as well. All right. And I think my last product, so this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I got 5 products in my box, and this is the Pure Midnight Masquerade. So I know BoxyCharm is famous for doing makeup palettes. They've done lots of pure makeup palettes. The only thing I don't like is when they give them to you and they're like tons of shimmer. So I've seen other people do their unboxings. So I've seen this, but not in person. So it's actually pretty. So there's one matte eyeshadow in here, and it's this one right there. And then these are blushes and highlights here. So that is by Pure Cosmetics. Yeah, I don't know. It's okay. This stuff looks kind of shimmery, so I'm not sure. I don't know. Maybe I'll play with it and see how much I like it. But so for my first BoxyCharm, I would say this is okay. I love the under eye masks. I love the Briogeo. I'll have to try this. Why don't we try it right now? And then the Superhero is good. I'm just not a superhero wear, but we can try it. All right, Miss Kat Von D, let's see what you've got. I should put on a lip liner. Let's put on a lip liner because I'm not good without it.
Even if I have to go over it.
All right. Ooh, it's dark. All right, so this is the Kat Von D Sanctuary. I'm not sure I think it's a little too vampy for me. So I might have to pass this on to Tortor. So anyways, okay, so with that said, let's go back. The eyes, the Briogeo, and I mean, this is good. It's just not my favorite mascara. So my first box was meh. Anyways, thank you for watching. Leave me a comment down below which was your favorite product. Give this video a thumbs up. Otherwise, I will catch you in my next video. Bye, guys.